Hello, welcome to AI Factory. Can you believe this game was created using the latest open-source AI, DeepSeek, deployed locally? By the end of this video, I'll show you how to make it yourself. Recently, an open-source AI model called DeepSeek was released, and it quickly gained immense popularity online. This model is a true contender against OpenAI, fully open source, completely free, and even offers wait access for commercial use. Its largest model boasts impressive overall capabilities, comparable to OpenAI's official version 0.1. Additionally, DeepSeek provides a series of smaller models that can be run locally. Even these smaller models are on par with OpenAI's 0.1 Mini. The smallest model, with 1.5 billion parameters, can even run on a mobile phone, and its coding capabilities surpass those of GPT-4o. In today's AI-driven world, using AI to write code is an essential tool for every programmer. Now, I'll show you how to use the powerful DeepSeek open-source AI model to achieve coding freedom, even if you have no prior experience. This model can completely replace Cursor, which costs $20 per month. With DeepSeek's open-source AI model, you can deploy it locally, use it for free, and even offline, so it won't interfere with your work. Let's get started without further ado. First, before writing any code, we need a code editor. VS Code, deploy Alma, and download the DeepSeek R1 model. If you have already watched my previous tutorial, DeepSeek R1 Setup Guide, Get Started with Free Local AI, you can skip this part. If you haven't yet deployed Alma and downloaded the DeepSeek R1 model, follow along with me to learn how to do it. Now, let me show you how to deploy it locally. You only need 4 GB of VRAM to install it, so if your computer can run games, it should work fine. First, let's visit the Alma website. I've included all the necessary links in the description of my video, so you can check there. Click on Download. Once you're on the website, choose the appropriate version for your computer: Apple Mac, Linux, or Windows. Since my current computer is Windows, I'll select the third option. After downloading, click to install it. When the installation is complete, you should see a small icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it to enter the command prompt line. If you miss this, you can search for CMD in the bottom left corner to open the command prompt window for deployment. You'll need to know your GPU's VRAM for deployment. Follow this table. 1.5B model. Choose this if your GPU's VRAM is less than 4 GB. Simply copy and paste the provided command to install it. 7B and 8B models. Suitable for GPUs with 8 GB to 12 GB VRAM. 14B model. Requires a GPU with more than 12 GB VRAM. 32B and 70B models. 4 even more powerful GPUs with larger VRAM. For example, I'll choose the 8B model. Copy the command line for this model, paste it in your command prompt, and hit enter to complete the installation. Now that it's installed, we can start using it immediately. If you want to install a more user-friendly UI client interface, please see my previous tutorial. I will not repeat it here. Once the download is complete, open your local terminal and enter the command Alma list. You should see the DeepSeek R1 model listed. As for the code editor VS Code, if you don't have it installed, go to the bottom left corner of your screen, search for Store, and open the Microsoft Store app. Find Visual Studio Code and install it. Now our preparations are complete. The next step is to open VS Code. Then, click on the extensions icon on the left side. Search for Continue and install it. You will then see an icon on the left side. Click on it. In the Claude 3.5 Sonnet drop-down menu, you will see Add Chat Model. There are various AIs listed, including DeepSeek. However, Do not choose the one from the official website. We need to select the one we deployed locally using our own resources. Find the Alama model that we installed and click on Connect. It will automatically detect and recognize the model as Auto-Detect DeepSeek R1:8B. This 8B model is the one I installed with Alama, configured based on my GPU's VRAM. Your value might differ, as it depends on the VRAM of your computer's GPU. Then, input your question and hit Enter. For example, please help me write a sorting code to sort random numbers. It will provide me with a clear problem-solving approach and step-by-step explanations first, and then generate the code for me. This is the process of it generating the code. At the top, click on the play icon to apply the code to the right screen. You can then run the code. Let's create another example. Writing a simple shooting game in Python. DeepSeek breaks down the task with a detailed thought process, offering a structured approach to development. It starts by understanding the game rules, implementing game logic, designing the interface, and testing. DeepSeek explains each step of its thought process and design approach. Then, it generates the full Python code and provides an explanation at the end. Once it's done, go back to the beginning of the code, click on the play icon, apply the code to the right screen. You can then run the code and test the game. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.